Hi, I'm Melanie. I work at the CHEO's dental clinic. When your child is getting ready for their orthodontic treatment, we may put in some separating elastic. This will get their teeth prepared for an orthodontic appliance. When the teeth start to move, the elastic might fall out, but don't worry. With a little bit of practice, you can put them back on at home. We'll show you how. All you need are spacers. We'll send you home with extra ones. And you'll need 2 pieces of dental floss. I'll start by showing you the technique on this dental mold. Take 2 pieces of floss and thread them through the middle of the elastic. Hold the floss like this to hold the elastic. Pull on either side of the floss and floss the elastic in between the teeth. When the elastic is in place, pull the floss out and voila, the elastic is back in place. At home, I know you don't have a fancy chair like this, but you can definitely use something like a bed or a couch that will help you to be in a better position. And I definitely recommend for somebody to hold a light. You can use a light on a phone or a flashlight or something so you can see what you're doing, okay? Put the floss in the little elastic until you're rolling the floss around your fingers just like you would be flossing, okay? Now I'll get you to open really wide. And flossing it in like so. Once the elastic is in, open big finger, then you